Today we are going to take a journey through the fascinating history of lunar exploration. Since the very first moon landing in 1969, we have seen a countless missions that have expanded our knowledge about the moon's geology, surface features, and possibilities for future exploration. So let's dive in and discover how it all began. It all started during the Cold War era, when the United States and the Soviet Union were in a fierce competition. Back in January 1959, the Soviet Union achieved an early victory with Luna 1, a small spacecraft that successfully escaped Earth's gravity and came within about 4,000 miles of the moon's surface. Imagine that. Then in 1959, Luna 2 made history as the first spacecraft to actually make contact with the moon's surface. It crash landed in the Mare Librium basin near Aristides, Archimedes, and the Autolycus craters. That same year, another Luna mission provided us with the first glimpses of moon's far side, revealing its rough highland terrain, quite different from the smoother basin facing the Earth. Then the United States joined the lunar exploration race. Between 1961 and 1965, NASA launched 9 Ranger spacecrafts. These missions gave scientists a very fast, up-close views of the moon's surface. The goal was to capture as many images as possible before the spacecraft crashed. And they did provided us with valuable insights. Ranger 9 in particular offered incredible details about the moon's rough terrain and the challenges of finding a suitable landing spot for the future human missions. Then in 1966, the Soviet spacecraft Luna 9 made history as the first vehicle to safely land on lunar surface. Equipped with scientific and communication gear, this small spacecraft took stunning panoramic photos of the moon from ground level. Later that year, Luna 10 became the first spacecraft to orbit moon successfully. Exciting times indeed. But the lunar exploration did not stop there. In the same year, NASA launched its Surveyor spacecrafts. These amazing spacecrafts carried cameras to analyze the moon's surface and soil samples to analyze lunar rocks and the dirt. Over the next 2 years, NASA's 5 lunar missions took off. Their mission? To orbit the moon and meticulously map its surface, paving the way for the grand dream, landing astronauts on the moon. These orbiter missions captured the images of about 99% of the lunar surface, revealing potential landing sites and setting the stage for the giant leap in the space exploration. Well, that wraps up our lunar exploration journey for today. But don't worry, we have more exciting content coming your way. In the next video, we'll delve into NASA's incredible human missions to the moon. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe.